So let's play Dessert Kingdom, Caramel Kingdom, and we have points 10, 5, and 10. I shoot, I miss, and then you shoot. If I don't miss, then I go again. Let's try this game.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, you got
points.
Hey, stop. Okay, I'll just go with this one. Okay, Bumblebee, just do it. No. Okay.
I lead.
Yes, you lead, and I like that. Come on. No. Can I try one more time?
Okay.
Long order, let's start.
What? Hold on. Just 5 more minutes.
I won.
Great job. High five. I lost. I guess I have to find another opponent. But I'm still ready to make the show. So, hello my dear friends. This is Jolly Battle Board Game Show, and today we will make a cool toy which you can play together with your friends forever, like forever. At home, in the yard, at a picnic, swap kingdoms and teams, and train in sharpshooting while earning points. For this, we need box, scissors, glue, do not forget a marker, faces of our Jolly characters, and the kingdoms, rubber bands for the box. So, the box for the game can be any size. First things first, we build, we glue the kingdom, or we can actually draw it. Our baffle is 9.5 inch. You select the dimensions according to your box. Make rectangular cuts in the barriers. In the middle is 3 inch and on the sides 1.5. We glue the barriers or the dividers in the middle. We make holes on the sides of the box, 2 on each side, as close to the bottom as possible. Cut the rubber band in half. Now thread the elastic, tie on one end and with a knot so that elastic is attached securely. We repeat the same action on the other side. The mechanism for the game is ready. It remains to gather the team. Cut out small circles from cardboard. They should be smaller than the holes in the barriers. Glue them together 2 by 2. And now, for real, get your team ready. We have our lovely characters from the Jolly Battle game. Let's make the game even more interesting and number the sockets. This is the number of the points above the cells that you have to get into. Well, since our game is ready, you can decorate your box with lovely stickers or tapes or anything that will make it look adorable or challenging. Guys, let's come up with a name for this game together. Write your ideas in the comments and we will choose the best one. So, this is going to be the name of our game. Subscribe, share videos with your friends, and have fun. Let's be friends on social networks. Join the Jolly Battle community. Until next time, I ran to read your comments and play another game. This time I'm gonna be with the Caramel Kingdom.
Okay.